What's up guys, it's Karina Garcia and today we are making bath bombs with my bath bomb kits. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix in the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna mix all our dry ingredients together. Get these lumps out of the way. In our second bowl, we're gonna mix the wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, we're gonna need water, some oil, and some tablets. You need a tablespoon of this, a tablespoon of water, and with that, it's gonna fizz up. All right. Now for the scents, we have jasmine and lavender scents. I'm feeling lavendery today. So we're gonna go in with about 20 drops of this, depending on how strong you want your bath bomb. I like strong bath bomb scents. And we're gonna let this dissolve. All right, that is dissolved, mixed in. Now we are ready to put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. You don't want to add it all at once because then everything's going to fizz up and it's not going to work. So we're going to go in a little bit at a time and mix. Really, really mix it out. You don't want any clumps. You want everything mixed thoroughly. And this looks ready. We're going to let this sit, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our mold. So for this, we're going to pop this open. And you really want to press down on it. That's how you're going to get the bath bomb. You got to press down like so. And we also have some cute little gems if you want to put little surprises in them. So pretty. We're gonna have some in the middle. Now we're gonna go on into the other half. Do the same thing. You really wanna get it compacted in there. Another big fat gem right in the middle. You wanna put a little bit more than you think you need. Really seal it, you know? And you're gonna let this sit for a few hours. Once you let this sit for a few hours, we're ready to take this off. You wanna be very, very careful. So I like to tap with my finger, just loosen it up a little bit. And we're just gonna carefully pull it off. Ta-da! So pretty. We also have some pre-made ones over here, some fun ones, and we are ready to put this in the water. Oh, look at that. That smells so good. I hope you enjoyed the making of these bath bombs. I had so much fun. Not only did I launch my bath bomb kit, I also launched my lip kit exclusively at Target, and this is my sleepover collection. You can also find my videos at Karina Garcia on YouTube. Go subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.